Mailman!
Oh, boy. Big prize for best painting of a desert flower.
Give me that. I am the big artist around here.
Oh, yeah?
Big prize. Desert flower. That is right up my alley. Hey, you! Give me that!
Desert daffodilly.
That is only a mirage. Boy, what a baby. Goochie, 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 goochie.
I've been working on the railroad, dum-de-dum-dee-day.
It is magnificent.
What glorious color tones.
Such strength and depth of feeling. Why, it's better than Grandma Who's.
Notice how lifelike.
It almost looks alive.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the work of a genius. And now it gives me great pleasure to present you with the grand prize.
For sheer stark drama, there is nothing to surpass the yearly salmon run. In keeping with nature's plan for continuing the life cycle, these brave fish wage their dauntless struggle to reach their spawning ground. There are many types of salmon in this annual pilgrimage. Here's an ingenious little fellow, and this is the spring or tai, the king salmon, and the well-known sockeye. Wherever you find salmon, you find their arch enemy, the bear.
You've been fishing the hard way, son. Now I'm gonna show you the easy way. Look over there, my boy. Just keep your eye on the old man, son. And away we go.
That's my pop.
Now, my boy, here's a nice, big, juicy watchman.
You are right, Mr. Bear. And may I call your attention to that sign?
So, who's smoking?
Sir, the sign says no bears allowed. And that means you.
Son, he's trying to starve us poor bears.
I demand that you leave the premises immediately.
This boy's got to go. We eat, son.
I told you to. My pop fooled him.
Watch your pop, son. Notice how I don't fall for the same trick twice.
You are not welcome here.
Hey! Who turned out the lights? Give me a candle. Thanks, pal. Well, now,
Fish Inspector, here's my card.
sucker.
Come in, Mr. Inspector.
Too small. Have to take this one with me. Uh-oh, too bad. This one's too big. Inspection completed. Nice place you got here. Give you a AAA rating.
Pop, you're the greatest.
What'll it be, son? A drumstick? Lock the door, eh? Well, I will give it the old battering ram. What? Let me out of here! Help! Let me out!
That's my Pop.
Settling of the early West, one of the most important cogs in the wheel of supply and demand was the traveling peddler, the forerunner to our present-day modern department stores. These intrepid pioneers were ever on the alert to serve the weary traveler.
You have jam. Whoa, horsey. Hey, Doc, customers.
Step right up, folks. See the greatest display on earth. Hurry, hurry.
Huh? Engine Village, then ahead.
Entering Scalpum Village. Well, champ, an excellent opportunity to peddle our wares. Onward, boy. Giddy up.
Whoa, horsey. Here's the first stop.
Right you are, champ. Ah, fair lady. Now I have here no. Ah, but fair lady, until you have seen me buy. Thank you, fair lady.
Gee, Doc, you can sell anything.
Chief, rain in the face. I say, Chiefy.
Rain, go away.
What is the weather report, Chief?
Rain today, rain tomorrow. Always in face.
Ah, my rainy day special, the umbrella.
First time been dry since baby. I take.
Another satisfied customer. Well, champ, an apartment building. We shall make 50 sales with one stop. Ah, my good man, what is your need? Pots, pans, shirts, sundries, coats, boats. Me only need 'em squaw. Ah, my good man, only want 'em squaw. Me pay plenty. He gets an oil well. Me loaded. Champ, we must find a squaw.
But gee, Doc, how?
Say that again.
How? Hey, look out, Doc! What you doing? Look out! Where you go? Let me go! Oh, for the love! Hey, this is a coil's dress. What's this?
Say prunes.
Prunes.
Ugh. Come along, lover boy. Chiefy, may I present Champita?
Ugh. Ugh.
Double ugh.
Double ugh? Why, I'm mine of the bum.
Hold on, champ. This calls for strategy.
What's the matter with him?
Well, Chief, it's a deal.
What's Doc selling him now? Hooty, hooty, hooty. Who's he hooty hooing?
Champita.
Help, Doc! Help, help! Hey, Doc! He thinks I'm a goyle.
That's the way the old medicine ball bounces. Yoo-hoo, Champita. Yoo-hoo.
Hooty, hooty, hooty. Help, Doc! Help!
1001.
Ah!
1002. 1003. What happened?
You see him squaw about so high?
Ugh.
She only puppy love. You real thing.
Uh-oh. Now, Chiefy, let me explain. Help, champ! Help, help! Look out, help!
Boy, Doc can sell.